Hello students, welcome to online class. I am Deepika Priya, Department of Computer Science from Mount Zion Metric Higher Secondary School. In today's session, we are going to see two interesting topics. Let us see one by one here. Chapter 28, Newspapers of India. Earlier, newspapers and magazines were the only way for people to know about what was going on in the world. The first newspaper in India was circulated in 1780 under the editorship of James Augustus Hickey, and the name of the newspaper is Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Likewise, we are going to see some more newspapers around the world. First one, Utkala Deepika in Odia. This type of newspaper was first printed on 4th August 1866, and it is the reason the 4th of August is celebrated as Odia Journalism Day. Next one, Golconda in Telugu. This newspaper published from Hyderabad and it was launched in 1926 by Suravaram Pratap Reddy. Mangaluru Samachara in Canada. German Reverend Hermann Frederick Mogling of the Basel Mission. He started this newspaper in 1843. This person was ranked as officially appointed as a Christian leader. So he was also the founder principal of BEM Theological Seminary, later renamed as a Karnataka Theological College. So he only started this newspaper in 1843. Next one, Swidesamitran in Tamil. This newspaper was published in Chennai, then Madras from 1882 to 1985 by Indian nationalist G. Subramanya Iyer. Darpan in Marathi and English. This newspaper was published from 1832 to 1840, and this bilingual paper, that means a person who speaks fluently in two languages. So this bilingual paper was founded by Bala Shastri Jambika when he was only 20 years old. Next one, Samachar Darpan in Bengali. It is a weekly newspaper published by the Baptist Missionary Society and it was published from 1818 to 1841. Dainik Manipur Patrika in Manipuri. It is the first state in Northeast India to start publishing a daily local newspaper in 1932. Jamai Jahan Numa in Urdu. This is a newspaper which was published from 1822 to 1888 from Kolkata, and it was written in a language which actually took shape and developed in Uttar Pradesh. Now, this fact. So, in the year of 1826, Udant Martan was the first Hindi language newspaper that was published in India and started from Calcutta, and it was published every Tuesday. Now, we are moving on to our next chapter. Chapter 29, Founders of the Nation. In this chapter, we are going to see some images of the founding fathers of nations around the world. Let us see one by one here. First one, Lee Kuan Yew. So, he was the founding Prime Minister of Singapore. Next one, Ho Chi Minh. So, he was a former president of the country Vietnam, and Vietnam is located in Southeast Asia. Next one, Primož Trubar. He was the Slovene Protestant, a reformer, and the author of the first Slovene language printed book. So, this particular person was a Slovene Protestant for the country Slovenia. Slovenia is located in Europe. Sam Nujoma. So, he was a social activist, also a politician, and 3 terms as a first president of Namibia. Namibia is the place and it is a country which is located exactly in Southwest Africa. Next one, Sun Yat-sen. He was the first president of Republic China. Next one, Johan Ferrier. He was the former president of Suriname. Suriname is the place and it is located exactly in the country South America. Next one, Skanderbeg. He was a nobleman and a military commander of the country Albania, which is located in Europe. And the last person is Kwame Nkrumah. He was a former president of Ghana, which is located exactly in the country Africa. Locate the name of the founding father of the countries which we have discussed just before. So you have to find the names which is given inside the word grid. For example, like this. Okay students, hope you have understand this topic very well. Let us meet in our next session. Thank you students. Thank you.